Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. As you might be aware of the recent media interaction of Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, he mentioned two important points. The first one is 114 multi-role fighter aircraft or MRFA under Make in India, and second one is increasing the order for Tejas and focus on AMCA program. Now HAL has decided to expedite the development of Tejas Mk1A so that they can stick to the delivery timeline of fighter jet. Before moving to the update, let's have a look at the delivery timeline of Tejas Mk1A. Indian Air Force has placed order for 73 single-seat variant and 10 trainer aircraft for Tejas Mk1A. The delivery of Mk1A variant is expected to commence from February 2024, and HAL has to complete the delivery of 83 Tejas Mk1A fighter by 2029, that is over a period of 5 years at a rate nearly 16 aircraft per year. HAL has to deliver them. Now, in order to expedite the development of Tejas Mk1A, HAL has decided to use final FOC version of Tejas Mk1 as second test bed for Tejas Mk1A development. However, the first test bed of Tejas Mk1A will take its flight by March 2022 and second test bed will take its flight by end of 2022. HAL plans to use two Mk1A flying test bed to prove most of the upgraded technology by mid of 2023 so that the first two Mk1A get delivered to Indian Air Force by March 2024. HAL will then move towards getting certification from Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification by mid of 2023, after which it can start the production of Tejas Mk1A. HAL is expected to deliver the first two aircraft in 2024, followed by additional 8 units in 2025. The rest 63 fighter aircraft will be handed over by 2029 with a production rate hitting 21 aircraft per year from 2025-26 onwards, after which the production line will be vacated for LCA Mk2 program from 2029-30 onwards. The remaining units will be delivered in several batches by 2029. The two test bed will reduce the buffering time to test latest upgrades, and hence certification process can be fast tracked. Now, one of the FOC variant aircraft will be equipped with Israeli ELTA ELM-2052 AESA fire control radar and ELL-8222WB self-protection jammer mounted on external pod. Apart from these, Mk1A will be getting following upgrades and will incorporate digital radar warning receiver, mission computer, a digital map generator, a digital flight control system, and a new beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.